Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. Today we will be starting the first chapter of English Grade 2. So you people should have in your hands the textbook of English 2 along with the English 2 workbook and also the summer pack. So we can have swiftly moving towards our chapters and we will be going to assign you people homework. In addition to that, resource packs has been uploaded on the website for parents and teachers in order to gain a helpful material that how you are going to address the several chapters and the homeworks that has been assigned to you people in terms of the workbooks and summer packs. Welcome students to the lecture 4 of chapter 1st. Today we will be doing the recognition of sounds that are digraphs. So this is our lecture 4 of the lesson 1. So what is a digraph? A digraph is the combination of two letters which represents one sound. Kya? Combination of two letters that represent one sound that are called as digraphs. For examples, there are two letters in S and H. S sounds for S. S sounds for S. And H sounds for H sounds for. But when the two letters combine together, they form the sound of sh. They form the sound of sh. These are called digraphs. The next one is C and H. So C sound for K. C sound for K. And H sounds for. But when the two letters combine together, they sound like ch. They sound like ch. That is why they are called as digraphs. The third one is TH. T sounds for T and H sounds for H. T sounds for T and H sounds for H. But here when we combine the two letters, that is T and H, it sounds like th. It sounds like th. Now let's see the examples. So in these words you have to use sh or ch. He ate lots of dash. He ate lots of dash e's. Now, what is he eating? Shabash. बच्चा क्या खा रहा है? क्या खा रहा है? Give me the answers. What he is eating? This is what? This is cheese. Yes. So, which digraph will be used? CH. He ate lots of cheese. The next example is dash your hands before eating anything. What is he doing? WA dash. क्या आएगा? शाबाश. What will be the answer? Watch. WACH. WACH. Watch. What does it mean by watch? Now, हम SH लगाते हैं sh. That is wash. Yes. So the right answer is he is washing his hands. So wash your hands before eating anything. So the digraph sh will be used. The next one is, please dash the door. So, give me answers. This is your turn. Shabash. Shabash, this is your turn. Yes. Please shut the door. Please shut the door. Shut is not a word in English. So that is why shut the door is the right answer. So the digraph sh will be used. The next one is, the dash ip sailed away. What is it? ये क्या है? Yes. So digraph sh will be used because this is a ship. The next one. I dash I were dash. क्या आएगा? शाबाश. WI के बाद क्या आएगा? RI के बाद क्या आएगा? I wish or which? Yes. Wish will be the right answer. I wish I were rich. Yes. Here, show digraph will be the right one, and in the last one, ch will be the right digraph. The next one, my brother dash the wood for fire. Which digraph will be the answer? Sh or ch? Yes, the word is chopped. So, ch will be the digraph that will be used. Now, ch sound digraphs. What is this? Yes, this is a chair. This is a chair. Next one is as I am discussing the ch digraph, so put it ch here. This is chop. This is chop. The next one is chick. So ch digraph will be used in chick. The next one is child. Yes, ch digraph will be used in child. So the next one is, that is, sh digraph will be used because this is a sheep. The next one is, yes, this is what? This is a shop. So sh will be used. This is a shirt. So sh will be used. And this is what? This is share, because both the girls are sharing their meal. So there will be share. Yes, shabash. Now you have a homework from the book. You have to encircle the sh and ch digraphs that sounds in your chapter 1. You have to what? Encircle the sh and ch digraphs from your chapter. Now the homework for your workbooks, you have to encircle the right digraph. Pick out a digraph from the word grandfa. Dash ER. कौन सा आएगा? TH, SH, CH. This is your homework. The next one is, which of the following words starts with ch? With ch. Yes, you have to answer it. And this homework you have to done in your summer pack. The next one is, find the word which ends with sh digraph. Yes. Now you have to do an activity. So with the help of the dictionary, here you have to help out your word with dictionary. Find the words which either begin or end with ch or sh. So there are 5 words you have to write down here of ch and 5 words of sure. So this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you so much. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.